Stand in your power.
We are the rainbow warriors that the Hopis talk about. We have nothing to fear because we are strength and we are power when we stand in the knowing we are. We are God beings. And I'm here to remind you of that. We're calling in strength, we're calling in power, and we're calling in wisdom. We don't ask for it. We know who we are, and as God beings, we affirm it. No one can take anything away from you unless you give it to them. Never give away your identity. Know who you truly are. You are the rainbow warriors, the ones that bring forth the new world. So don't cower. Don't be afraid. Stand in your safety. Stand in your power, knowing that your ancestors are protecting you always.
No need to worry. No need to fear. Stand in your power because you are powerful.